걸 매일 새로워 긴장을 난 늦출 수 없어 I want 우린 24시간 On this roller coaster ride 이슬감 속에 온몸을 던져 정상이 아닌 girl She's a maniac And I love her just like that 나 빠져들겠지
Hey guys, so we're back again at the Bacolod Girls Home to interview the woman behind the success of the foundation, Mrs. Ellen Lagtapon, the executive director of the orphanage. So in this video, she will tell us a little bit about the place, a chit-chat how everything started. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
Before, daw wala din siya nating so daw this was lang bala daw boys and girls. So in 1949 boys and girls, and then sa ulihinga na daw nagdalagko na sila. So the boys were turned over to the city of police, and then so happened man nasang dito sila girls na lang diri nabilin. So this is an orphanage. They call this, before the name was CWL Orphanage, because this was not Bacolod Girls Home yet. The CWL nga inang kita nyo man da Catholic Women's League, this is their project. So when ato na tong mga laki sa City of Police, amuan pag abot ni Father Gracian here in Bacolod, you know Father Gracian. So he took over the boys, and then that was called the boys home, and then this orphanage was called the orphanage first until nga nag-Bacolod Girls Home. Kaya pag Bacolod Girls Home na ya, foundation na iya. So hindi mo madalit-dalit nga orphanage to Bacolod Girls Home. Kaya damo pa nga kwansang papers. So until nag-Bacolod Girls Home Foundation incorporated at least 1983 na or 85 I think. Nag-Bacolod Girls Home na sa, so they can access na funding. They receive girls from 7 to 12 years old until nga ari na di sila until now nga amon na ng amon admission. If you can refer it to us. 7 to 12 years old ang gagmay lang until nga ari na di sila. So before until high school lang, and then din pa college. We have 10 colleges right now. We have 27 girls and we have 10 colleges. Okay.
Balisin o hindi gani ma'am ang main na sponsor or ang ga-provide sa needs ng mga bata.
Since this is the project of the Catholic Women's League, before may mga ari man di sila nga mga CWL nga hindi man kakuan sina. Here you can trust the help from above nga, even though for me as an executive director, I do not ask from anybody na ako ay ang mga tao gadon kong ng idea for the children. And then right now I could say the province of Negros Occidental, si governor kay supposed to be, this is the city of Bacolod, dito na Bacolod Girls Home Foundation from the city of Bacolod, but yet we get minimal amount from Bacolod and large amount of the province of Negros Occidental. And then people would come in like you, mag-doctors na gid kamo, you will be coming back here, and there you have to offer for the children and to cure them or vitamins for them.
Bali, di initially mamahalin ang mga bata
from the neighboring towns and cities. We have plenty here from Don Salvador, Benedicto. We have from Cadiz City, Manapla, Sagay to Kabangkalan.
Bali, ang criteria ni mama para mabaton ang
referred by the social worker from the mayor themselves. Oo, we do not accept sa walk-in lang. If we
Ginibilin lang daw.
Oo. Kahit hindi kalabanan nga ginabilin, gagmay, gid lang nga kabataan. So, it's not on our criteria. So, dito naman, may ilaman na sila. So, in every, like this nga, institution, may ilaman sila yung nga programa. So, ang infant naman, dito naman sa Holy Infant, damo na sila yung kasapuan ng kabataan ng ginasubayan. Yung ginapangkuha nila. Kami referred niya sa social worker. Kaya, before we accept, gina-refer nam do you know the director of Riverside Medical Center, si Dr. Hinsuli. So siya ginaang sa amon admission, gina-check up ginang bata kay kung may masakit ipabulong namin. But kung may abuse, any kind of abuse, especially the sexually abused, we do not accept that. Only the orphan, the poorest of the poor, and those who need our help.
Bali, ma'am, after nila college, din sila sa Kadtuga, started sila Japon? Or
No.
may graduation?
No. We have to inform their mayors if we could send them to work. Like now, we have 4th year college, daw somewhat computer. So pag OGP ang owner of the company nag-offer na sa iya kay ka mga buot man na pabrahon sa so pagkatto isang social worker si tulungi ka if namian ka mo sa work mo go ahead you can work but if you cannot work happily sa inyong mga kwan you can come back to Don Salvador Benedicto kay the mayors accommodate them.